how the amount of time in bleach something affects the environment. In industrialized bleaching, such as bleaching for industrial purposes in factories, etc., they might use excessive amounts of bleach to make a product more perfect, which leads to waste because more bleach than necessary is being used, leading to the various effects that bleach has on the environment, such as the production of dioxins and the pollution of the water, which kills fish. Right now, we will be focusing on the production of dioxins. Dioxins and dioxin-like compounds, which in short is DLC, are byproducts of various industrial processes and are commonly regarded as highly toxic compounds that are environmental pollutants and persistent organic pollutants. Some of the effects of chlorine bleach on the environment are more controversial. Dioxins, chemicals that can be derived from bleach through particular chemical reactions, have been demonstrated to be harmful to human health and the natural environment. Many companies in the industry, however, dispute these findings and insist their products are safe. Dioxins can have a number of damaging effects, including heart disease and immune system deficiency. Humans are also exposed to environmental dioxins through the food they eat, as the chemical accumulates in animal meat and byproducts as they are passed up the food chain. Another negative effect that chlorine has on the environment is the impact on marine life.
Some of the most severe impacts of chlorine bleach, especially when released into rivers and ponds, is its potential to harm fish and other marine life. Bleach is extremely toxic to fish, and in small concentrations can do considerable damage. Most bleach will be broken down when exposed to other compounds in sewage or will be removed by wastewater treatment facilities. But precautions should be taken to keep bleach out of stormwater drains, as many of these systems do not get treated by wastewater plants before releasing into streams and rivers.
In our lab experiment, we conducted an experiment where we bleached cloth. After the experiment was conducted, there was a lot of excess bleach, but we were able to dispose of it properly in a waste bin. Unlike a lot of factories, they just dispose of their bleach by throwing it into the ocean or the river or burning it, which releases dioxins, and this is really harmful to the environment. Here is an example of our lab.
These are the three 250 milliliters of beakers we will be using to start our project.
We're putting 100 milliliters of bleach into each beaker, and this will bleach cloth, and after 3 different times, which are 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 45 minutes, we will observe what the product is.
So all of the parts of the shirt has been put into each beakers.
This is the product after 2 minutes and no reaction has occurred. We are at around 10 minutes waiting, and this is the 15-minute beaker, and the color has changed a lot. It's gotten a lot lighter. Look at the color difference. It's purple in that one and it's blue in that one. The others are about the same color, but we still have to wait for them to finish bleaching in the time. After 15 minutes of soaking the cloth in chloride, this is what came out. It's a purpley color compared to the blue cloth that hasn't even been in bleach yet. You can check out the color difference, how this one has white spots on it and this one has no change, purplish brown to blue. This is what the cloth looks like after 50 minutes of bleach. Compared to the one that hasn't even been bleached, there's a huge color difference. This one has lost a lot of its blue color, become brownish purple. And after 20 minutes, the cloth has gotten lighter than the 15-minute one. How it's purple here, but here it's a lot lighter with more white spots on it. We're just rinsing the chlorine off. This is the color of the cloth after 30 minutes being bleached. You can tell it is a little bit lighter than this one, and definitely a lot lighter than the blue it was before.